Hello, welcome to all. In this training session we will help you to understand how to add the commodities while booking a shipment. Log in into the portal with valid login credentials. After login, successfully click on Operations in the main menu section. Now click on the Shipping and then click on the Ship option to redirect to the booking screen. Enter the sender and receiver details manually, or else we can directly select from the address book if already added. For demonstration we will take from the address book. Select the package type and enter the number of pieces required as per our requirement. Now select the carrier and service. Select the required box. Enter the actual weight and enter the dimensions. Now we will come to the Commodities section. Commodities we can add in multiple ways. We will see one after the other. First way is to directly search from the commodity list, which is visible on the screen. Here we can enter the required commodity. After entering we will get the suggestions to select. Like this we can add multiple commodities. The other way is to click on List My Product/Item List option. After clicking, a pop-up will come, where we will display the complete commodities list. Search for the required commodity in the search field. After entering the commodity, click on the search icon. Clicking on the search icon is mandatory, then only the system will filter the data and present it to us on the screen. Like this also we can add multiple commodities. We can use the option of clear all filters once after adding the commodity, then again we can search for the other required commodity in the search field. The third way is to click on the add icon in the existing commodity. Again we will get the commodity list and the process will be the same as above. Now so far we have seen how to add the commodities. Now let's see how to edit and update the added commodities. Go to one commodity, click on the commodity description. Add the text as per our requirement. For example, if we added a sweets commodity, then we can edit that as homemade sweets as per our requirement. Enter the required quantity and invoice value. Commodity value will be calculated automatically. If we want to delete an unwanted commodity, click on the Delete option beside the commodity. Commodity will be deleted successfully. Here we also have an option to clone the commodity. Using this option we can directly add another commodity of the same information. Now we have added commodities. This is how we can add the commodities while booking a shipment. Thank you for watching the video.